Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Myself Reena. You all know that we were teaching last lectures how to write capital cursive and how to trace. So today I will teach you next to capital cursive G and H, how to trace and how to write. Firstly I am showing you a cursive writing book. This is your cursive writing book, and open your page number 10 in your cursive writing book. This is page number 10. Firstly you will mention date. Today's date is 15 of July 2020. Then we will mention SW, I mean to say homework. So you can see, firstly you will identify what is this. This is capital cursive Z, and we will make same like this. Firstly we will put dot to dot, and capital cursive G start from second line, and you can see how to trace capital cursive G. फर्स्टली वी विल पुट डॉट टू डॉट. फर्स्टली हम डॉट टू डॉट मिला के कैपिटल कर्सिव जी बनाएंगे. फर्स्टली वी विल मेक जी. यू कैन सी हाउ टू ट्रेस. आफ्टर कंप्लीट द ट्रेसिंग वर्क वी विल मेक सेम लाइक दिस इन नेक्स्ट लाइन. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सेकेंड लाइन, यू कैन सी, and come down in straight line. We will make y, small cursive y, same like this. Firstly we will start from dot and make e, come down and make small cursive y like this. Okay, small cursive e and small cursive y will be made together capital cursive Z. Okay, now you all know that how to make a small cursive G. So firstly you will trace a small cursive G like this. Firstly you will trace small cursive Z, then you will make in next line small cursive G. Small cursive G start from second line, and it will be make in 3 line. स्मॉल कर्सिव जी 3 लाइन्स में बनेगा और ये सेकेंड लाइन से स्टार्ट होगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल मेक कैपिटल कर्सिव जी एंड स्मॉल कर्सिव जी टुगेदर. फर्स्टली वी विल ट्रेस टुगेदर. फर्स्टली हम ट्रेस करेंगे. यू कैन सी हाउ टू ट्रेस डॉट टू डॉट. फर्स्टली वी विल ट्रेस कर्सिव डॉट टू डॉट. यू कैन सी हाउ टू ट्रेस. Firstly we will trace like this. After complete the tracing work we will make same like this in next line, but firstly we will trace completely, then we will make in next line. Okay, now we will make in next line capital cursive G and small cursive G. Firstly we will put dot. After dot we will make like this. Capital cursive G start from second line and it will be make in 4 line, and small cursive G start from third line and it will be make in 3 line. You can see how to make capital cursive G and small cursive G. Firstly you will put dot, then you will make. Okay, now we will make capital cursive H. Capital cursive H will be make in 3 line. Firstly we will put dot. Firstly we will trace capital cursive H like this. You can see how to trace. We will trace dot to dot. Firstly we will trace capital cursive H like this. We will trace capital cursive H dot to dot. You can see how to trace. Firstly we will trace dot to dot like this. Now we will make in next line capital cursive H. Firstly we will put dot for capital cursive H, and we will put dot in between capital cursive H. कैपिटल कर्सिव H बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले हम डॉट पुट करेंगे, और डॉट हम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड लाइन के बीच में पुट करेंगे. यू कैन सी वेयर इज पुट डॉट बिटवीन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड लाइन. Firstly we will put dot. You can see how to make capital cursive H. We will start from second line and we will mill like this. You can see how to make capital cursive H. Now we will make small cursive H in 3 line. You all know that how to make small cursive H. आप सभी को पता है कि स्मॉल कर्सिव एच कैसे बनाते हैं. फर्स्टली वी विल ट्रेस स्मॉल कर्सिव एच लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ वी विल मेक स्मॉल कर्सिव एच इन नेक्स्ट लाइन. We will start from dot. You can see there is put dot and we will start from dot. Okay, now we will make together capital cursive H and small cursive H. Firstly we will trace capital cursive H and small cursive H like this. Firstly हम capital cursive H and small cursive H को trace करेंगे. We will trace dot to dot like this. You can see how to trace. You can see how to trace capital cursive H and small cursive H. We will trace capital cursive H and small cursive H dot to dot. And capital cursive H we will make in 3 line and small cursive H also make in 3 line. Okay, we will make in next line capital cursive H and small cursive H together. Firstly we will put dot. You can see how to make capital cursive H and small cursive H. Okay, you can see complete this page and you will also do this page same like this. Firstly you will mention date, then SW, then after you will do this page like this. Firstly you will identify this is capital cursive G, this is small cursive G, this is capital cursive H and this is small cursive H, and you spell out spelling also like this. GIRL girl, GRAPES grapes, HOUSE house, HEN hand. Okay, now we will meet in our next class and you will submit this page in assignment option. Okay, bye bye children.